And you got to not be scared to suck, because it's somebody that's doing some shit that sucks with no plans to ever get better, but they hopping out here and they in the lane and they doing it. And like, I want to encourage people, if you got a goal, a dream, a business, anything, start where the fuck you at. Start that shit. You got to start it. Like, nobody starts. Walmart did not start with 700 stores and all the funding and all the money for Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Like, it started in a bullshit ass city in Arkansas. I was just there. I just left. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, like, everything ain't always there, but you got to start building that product. Start building that product, and if you believe in it, other people will believe in it too. They're gonna see how much you believe in it and be like, man, how far can he take it? Man,